Checking out service. We have two type of customers. First, who booked appointment online and have already paid for the service. Second, who have walked into the venue. Online customer checkout. When you are ready to check out a customer, click on the appointment and then click service complete checkout. You will notice here that this is an offline customer and this is an online customer. Left click and then service complete checkout. You will receive a message service completed successfully. This will check out the online customer because customer has already paid for the services. Even if in case you forget to check out an online customer, no worries. System will automatically check out the customer at 0000 of the next day. That's all for the online customer checkout. So one word for online checkout customers, no worries if you check out or you do not check out. You will notice that the color once checkout will turn into a gray color. Now offline customer checkout. Once same as the online, when you are ready, check out a customer, click on appointment on their calendar screen, then click on service complete checkout. You will notice here that there are two types of code, SRV, which is the service, and IOU. This means the customer had previously a balance which he did not pay, will pay later. That IOU amount is also being shown here. Now you can change the price of the service. Give your customer discount in the currency of the amount. And allow customer to use your point system. At the bottom of the screen, you can add a service, a gift certificate, and a product. So let's say the customer not only availed gold facial, but he also availed another service. So we click on plus service and add the service that he availed. Now let's add a gift certificate. To add a gift certificate, click on plus gift. Click on auto generate to generate a gift certificate number. Now set the value that gift certificate is worth. The recipient details. Recipient email address, and the message that you want to send to this recipient. In case you want to print the gift certificate, then you can tick this box, I will print it and send it by myself. In case you want to send an email directly to the recipient, you can check this box. In our case, I will select that send email to abc@yahoo.com. Now select the template and click save and send email. Finally, you can add a product to check out by clicking on plus product. In our case, since we have not added any data in the inventory module about the products are not visible here. Now, next is the payment. But make sure beforehand that if a customer wants a paper receipt, then you tick this box, print paper receipt. You will now enter the tip amount that the customer wants to give you. So let's say the customer wants to give a tip of 10. So you can add the tip amount here. So this is the amount due to the customer and he has not paid anything. Now the customer has many options to pay. He can pay via cash, he can pay via check, he can pay via credit card, and he can pay via the gift certificates offline. In case the customer does not have 330 to pay you, he can still pay 300 dirhams, and then the 30 will be added into the IOU. As you can see, IOU will pay later is already added here. So in case customer does not pay you on his next visit, it will automatically be added in his next checkout. You can complete the checkout by clicking on the checkout button. Thank you.